Hi guys, welcome to Keto-ers 24/7. Today we have delicious keto fried salmon with scrambled egg, a low-carb keto recipe. Before continuing our low-carb keto recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates on keto recipes and diet plans. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. So let's continue our today's video, stay tuned. Fried salmon with scrambled egg. Want to start your day feeling energized and full already? Try this fried salmon with scrambled egg dish. On the side, there's spinach too, which is known to be a superfood and a popular vegetable eaten by keto-ers. This is absolutely a powerful morning meal. Servings. 1. Ingredients. 150 grams fried salmon fillet. For the scrambled egg, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 egg, whisked, 1/4 cup heavy cream, salt to taste, 1 cup fresh spinach to serve. Procedure. 1. Prepare all the ingredients. 2. Heat a pan and melt the butter. 3. Add the eggs and use spatula to cook. 4. Add the heavy cream and mix until well combined. 5. Continue cooking until eggs are no longer liquid. 6. Season with salt. 7. Serve the fried salmon on a serving plate. 8. Add the scrambled eggs. 9. Serve with fresh spinach. Nutritional information. Energy 654.9 kilocal. Protein 49.8 grams. Fat 49.3 grams. Carbohydrates 3 grams. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please like and share this recipe and do subscribe our channel for more updates on ketogenic diet plans and recipes. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you in the next video.